village Samanden near Darjeeling. You can see the beautiful mountain range. This is a flat top area. Few villagers are living in this village, and here is a clouds talking with the mountains. You can see the beautiful architect design as per the nature. We will stay tonight in this area, in this village, and this is our hut. Good morning from Samanden, Darjeeling. A beautiful morning. Yesterday evening there were cloudy weather. We had captured this yesterday evening, and today is the morning. Just after 12 hours, the weather has completely changed. There are some mountains in the distance with sun rays on it, and these are the yes, these mountains were fully covered with clouds yesterday. Today it is very much neat and clean. So this is the changing weathers in Himalayan region. Yesterday there were rains, and today we are expecting a clear weather to move the upper campsite. This is Samanden at 7,600 feet, and looking forward a higher campsite today. It's about 17 kilometers. Thank you.